A cop wanted his wife eliminated, so he gave Supari to another cop's son. Yes, you heard that right. A cop hired another cop's son for crime. The Supari killers, instead of killing the cop's wife, ended up shooting one of their own. In this episode, we will tell you the story of a Supari deal which went awry, really awry.
Story 1. The sun has reached its highest point and shone brightly on Gol Gumbas. Bijapur was busy gobbling up its lunch. But suddenly, something horrible shook the sleepy city. The historical city of Bijapur saw a shootout in the broad daylight. Everybody was horrified. Two unidentified men on bike shot a man near Sainik School situated close to Athani main road. The injured was identified as 37-year-old Bharat Agarwal. It seemed as if luck was on Bharat's side. He survived. The bullet just kissed his ribcage and hit a different target.
23/8/2014 ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು 11:15-11:30 ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬಿಜಾಪುರ ನಗರದ ಸೈನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೊಲೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ನಡೆದಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭರತ್ ತಂದೆ ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಅಗರ್ವಾಲ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವರು 37 ವರ್ಷ. ಇವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಸಂತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಕೊರ್ಬಾ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಜಕಾತಿ ಅನ್ನುವರು ಹಣದ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಈತನ ಮೇಲೆ ಗುಂಡನ್ನು ಹಾರಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತು ಗುಂಡನ್ನು ಹಾರಿಸಿರ್ತಾನೆ.
But why was he shot? Who is Bharat Agarwal? Who shot Bharat? A lot of questions started doing the rounds in the minds of cops of Gandhi Chowk police station. The shootout was registered by Bharat himself before seeking their help for first aid. When he was questioned, the answers cops got startled them. The attackers were Basant Kumar Koraba and Praveen Jakati. They both were contract killers, and even more frightful was the fact that they both were Bharat's close friends. But that was once upon a time. You will be further surprised when we tell you that the injured Bharat Agarwal was a Supari killer not long ago. Yes, the Supari killer team actually consisted of Basant Kumar Koraba, Praveen Jakati and Bharat Agarwal. But why did the other two try to finish off their contemporary? A Supari deal which went awry. It was a Supari deal which was the source of this crime. When the cops started to investigate the case further, they could not believe what they found out. Son of one of their own was a contract killer. The Supari killer Praveen Jakati was the son of an assistant sub-inspector. But that was not all. The men in khaki then started to find out what the Supari deal was about. There was a ruder surprise in store for the cops. The person who had given Supari was none other than another man in khaki. The man you see on your screen is an ex-military man. He is with the prestigious Indian Reserve Battalion contingent of Police Department. He is Ashok Nagatana. Officers investigating the case found it difficult to digest that one of their own men was involved in the case. Ashok had given a Supari to Basant Kumar Koraba, Praveen Jakati and Bharat Agarwal, that too to kill his own wife. But why did the Supari killers try to kill one of their own? What happened? Ashok had paid 5 lakh rupees to contract killers to close his wife's chapter. The accused Basant Kumar Koraba and Praveen Jakati took 1.5 lakh rupees and gave it to Bharat to help them with the legal consequences after the Supari deal. But Bharat Agarwal was fed up of crime and sought redemption. He was a rowdy cheater who was convicted in many robbery cases. He had also served jail terms, but he decided to earn his bread in an honest way. It's an unwritten rule in the world of crime that once a criminal, he will always be treated as one. Basant Kumar and Praveen roped him in forcefully into the team to help them finish the deal. Bharat tried his best to convince the other two to give up the deal. But Basant Kumar and Praveen were in no mood to listen. For both hardcore criminals, it was just like any other day at work. When Ashok learnt of Bharat backing out from the deal, he threatened him of dire consequences. Basant Kumar and Praveen also started to feel that Bharat would be an obstacle to them in executing the Supari deal. They tried to intimidate him by asking him to pay back the 1.5 lakh given to him immediately. Bharat, who just wanted to get rid of his partners, agreed to return the money, but in installments. Their final attempt to win back their partner for crime had failed. That is when the dreaded Supari killers decided to kill one of their own. August 22nd, 2014. On that fateful day, Bharat received a call from the two to meet up and sort out their differences. It was supposed to be a meeting of reconciliation. Little did Bharat have an idea about the ulterior motive of Basant Kumar and Praveen. On the pretext of discussing a plot of land, Basant Kumar and Praveen asked Bharat to meet near Sainik School at Athani Main Road. Bharat reached the spot first and was waiting for the so-called friends. Basant and Praveen zoomed in a Suzuki Splendor and fired a round from their country pistol at Bharat.
ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ 14 ಎಕರೆ ಜಮೀನು ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಬ್ರಾದರ್, ಅಶೋಕ್ ನಾಗ್ಟಾನ, ಬಸಂತ್, ಪರ್ವೀನ್ ಜಕಾತಿ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಲಿಂದ ಕರೆಸಿ ಸೈನಿಕ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಶೋಕ್ ನಾಗ್ಟಾನ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಬ್ರಾದರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಬಸಂತ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಜಕಾತಿದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡರ್ ಗಾಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ರಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ನೀರು ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ ಗಾಡಿಯಾಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೀದಾ ನಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತೀವ್ರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌಂಡಿ ಕೆಲಸ ನಡಿಲಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೋಸ್ತ್ ಬಂದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಶೇಡ್ಜವರ ಹಿಂದಂತ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಸೀದಾ ಪಿಸ್ತೂಲ್ ತೆಗೆದು ನನಗೆ ಗುಂಡು ಹಾರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
Even before Bharat realized what was happening, he was bleeding. Lucky that he survived such a close encounter with death. Bharat fell down, but he had the sense and strength to rush to the nearby Gandhi Chowk police station. He was immediately rushed to the district hospital for first aid. Bharat escaped with minor injuries, but the truth he revealed did a major damage to the police department. But you must be wondering why Ashok gave a Supari to kill his wife in the first place. Who is his wife? What is his story? Story 2. Here is a lady who is seeking the help of media and public to save her from her monstrous husband. A few years ago, this woman separated from her husband due to his lecherous ways. He had an illicit affair with another woman. But why are we telling a different story altogether? Let's put your doubts to rest. The woman Ashok wanted to get killed was none other than his lady, his wife Prabhavati. Why did Ashok want to get rid of Prabhavati from his life? What was wrong with their marital life? Ashok Nagatana and Prabhavati married in 1993. Everything was smooth until Ashok was posted to Bijapur as a part of Indian Reserve Battalion. He came in contact with a woman and started to get close to her. Prabhavati became suspicious about her husband's new behavior. It did not take much time for her to find out what Ashok was up to. She fought with Ashok to end his illegitimate affair, but her pleas fell on deaf ears.
ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರೋ ಹೋಗೋಳ ಜೊತೆನೆ ಅಫೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಫೋನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಊರ್ನವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಸಿ ಅವಳ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನೇ ಊರ್ ಬಿಡೋಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಅವರು.
Hurt and humiliated, Prabhavati separated from Ashok 3 years ago. She alone had to take care of her 2 sons. She started tailoring to earn her daily bread, but failed to stitch a good life for her sons. With no other option left, Prabhavati filed a lawsuit against Ashok seeking alimony. The court is yet to give the verdict.
ನಾವು ಹೊರಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ನು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನಿಂದ ಇವಳೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೋತಾಳಪ್ಪ. ಏನು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಾಧಿಸಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇ ಅವನು ಬರೀ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್, ಹಾಜರಾಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ.
By then, Ashok was fed up of his wife. He wanted to get rid of her forever. That is when he came up with a monstrous plan. Ashok gave Supari to kill his own wife. A police officer supposed to uphold law but was about to break it. That is when Ashok met Basant Kumar and Praveen. The three struck a Supari deal to eliminate Prabhavati. Bharat was recruited to the team leader. Ashok paid an amount of rupees 5 lakh for the deal. But the Supari deal went awry when Bharat backed out from the deal. But surprisingly, Ashok has completely denied all the charges leveled against him. He alleged that he paid money to the accused for a plot of land.
ಏನು ಅಶೋಕ್ IRBPದೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇವನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತನಿಖಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೋಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಿ ಡಿನೈಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಅವನು ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ.
Prabhavati is shell-shocked. Poor lady became aware of Supari issue against her name only after news channels started to flash the shootout on Bharat.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ನನಗೆ ನಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಜಾನೋ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದನ್ನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗಂತರೂ ಏನು ಕೈಕಾಲೇ ನಡುಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಯಾವ್ದು ನಂಬೋದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಿಡೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳದೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಈಗಲಾದ್ರೂ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನಾನೇನು ಅದ್ರಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ನಿರಪರಾಧಿ.
Accused Basant Kumar and Praveen are yet to be apprehended. A massive manhunt has been launched to nab them. What sort of a husband pays other men to kill his own life partner? And her crime was just seeking husband's love. A tragic tale indeed. Ashok Yadar Lee for News 9, Bijapur.